Hello my friend, my name is Asmana Aji. I would like to tell you about my evaluating course book based on Konigsword theory. So, for the title of the book, English in Focus for Grade 7 Junior High School. And for the writer is Artono Wardiman, Masduki, B. Jahur, M. Sukirman, Jusma. And for the publisher is Pusat Perbukuan Departemen Pendidikan Nasional 2008 Jakarta. And for the list of content is for the first introduction, second is literature review, and for number third is research method, number 4 result, and number 5 is discussion. For the next is I would like to tell you about my introduction about evaluating course book by Konigsword theory. So for the first is background of the research. Burning issue textbook play a crucial role in education by providing structure, standardized knowledge that align with curriculum goals. And the next is research of problem. A textbook is considered good if it helps students to learn easier. It should have clear and organized information, making it not too hard to understand for the student. And the next is a brief review of the relevant literature. It is best for a textbook evaluate to identify her or his own priorities and draw up his own checklist by choosing some criteria mentioned in one book and adding other based on personal priorities. Konigsword theory 1995. And for the next is the aim of the research. This study aimed to evaluate the English textbook for junior high school entitled English in Focus for Grade 7 2008. So for the next is about research question. Research question: to what extent does the English textbook for Grade 7 junior high school entitled English in Focus Grade 7 Junior High School 2008 meet requirement of a good English textbook based on Konigsword theory? And for the next is the aim of the research to evaluate English textbook for Grade 7 Junior High School. The title English in Focus Grade 7 Junior High School in 2008. And for the next is literature review. Definition of a textbook. Konigsword theory 1995 identify a textbook as a resource in presenting the material, a source for learner to practice and do the activity. And for the criteria of a good course book, for the first is by Romero. Number 1, a good textbook should be introduced in series. And number 2, the lesson should be short and well organized. Number 3, exercise should be short, never more than 10 or 15 items of the same type. Number 4, the textbook should include short dialogue. Number 5 is the textbook should have attainable aim. And the next opinion is by Mariani 2005. Number 1 is practical function. Designed to facilitate the teaching and learning process for both teacher and student by presenting material in a clear and organized manner. Number 2 is integrate content, include material covering various aspects of language from grammar and vocabulary to communication skill exercise. Number 3 is context appropriateness. Adapt the content to the learner needs and the context of language use. Number 4 is skill development. Provide opportunity for students and develop a balanced set of language skills. For the last is cultural appropriateness. The content should respect and reflect cultural diversity, avoiding stereotype while promoting intercultural understanding. And for the next opinion is by Lee, 1975. For the first is good textbook often contain lively and interesting material. Number 2 is good textbook provide a sensible progression of language item. The textbook should clearly showing what has to be learned and some cases summarizing what has been study so that students can revise grammatical and functional points that they have been concentrating on. Number 4 is textbook can be systematic about the amount of vocabulary presented to students. And for the last is good textbook allows students to study on their own outside the class. Textbook evaluation by connoisseur theory. For the first is aim and approach. Number 2, design and organization. Number 3 is language content. Number 4 is skill. Number 5, topic. Number 6, methodology. Alright, and the next is I would like to tell you about research method. Research design is descriptive qualitative research. For the data source is English in Focus for grade 7 junior high school 2008 module used by student grade 7. The book was written by Artono Wardiman, Mas Duki, and Mr. Sukirman and published by Pusat Perbukuan Departemen Pendidikan Nasional Jakarta in 2008, which was consist of 172 pages and divided into 8 chapters. So this is how to calculate percentage book evaluation by connoisseur theory. So, and right now I would like to tell you about my result and discussion. So purpose is about my aim and approach. This book is quite good as teaching material, and this book has clear goal for students to achieve. As what Romero said, the textbook should have attainable aim, but in this book there are quite long dialogue, which according to Romero, the textbook should include short dialogue. And for the design and organization, this book is arranged material well or in stage. The teaching method is short and easy to understand for students. The content taught in appropriate and sequential, as Romero said. 1975 that lesson should be short and well organized. And for number 3 is language content. This book is very good in language development, where in each chapter the level of learning in grammar increase and meet the student target, like what Lee said in 1975. Good textbook provide a sensible progression of language item. So for the skill in this book, the grammar use is very suitable for social status. Vocabulary and language use, namely everyday conversation, can found in conversation that is easy for students to understand. In accordance with their opinion, textbook can be systematic about the amount of vocabulary presented to the student. So for the next is topic. The content or topic in this book also teach about culture that students are not yet aware of, provide a fairly good cultural understanding in accordance with the opinion Mariani 1980. The content should respect and reflect cultural diversity, avoiding stereotype while promoting intercultural understanding. And for the last is methodology. This book facilitates the teacher to be able to use teaching method according to the material being taught in accordance with the word of Mariani 2005, designed to facilitate the teaching and learning process for both teacher and student by presenting material in a clear and organized manner. So right now we will meet in conclusion. The book English in Focus for grade 7 junior high school 2008 is a great choice for the teaching material aimed at 7th grade students. The topic is covered highly relevant to the needs of English language learning at this level, and the content is well structured, aligns with the curriculum, and easy to follow. The teaching method used in the book are also effective, making it easier for students to engage with the material and understand the lesson. On top of that, the book design and layout are neatly organized, which further support the learning process by making it more accessible and user-friendly. So that is all about my presentation about evaluating course book by Cunningsworth Theory, and for the title of the book is English in Focus for 7th grade junior high school. Thank you so much for your attention.